How to fix Instagram direct messages not loading in less than 1 minute. Hello guys, so there is three ways to fix this problem. The first way is you just have to restart your phone or just check your Wi-Fi. And the second way is you have to go to the settings, go to the apps, and then go to apps right here. Now here you will find all the apps that you have downloaded on your phone. Just scroll down until you find Instagram and click on it like this, and then go to this option here, click on force stop, and then go to storage, click on clear data, and after that all what you have to do is restart your phone. And the third way and the last one is the Play Store. Go to Play Store, search for Instagram, and then click up to date, because sometimes the problem is just from the update. And yeah guys, that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.